Alright, so today we're going to be blacking out all the chrome on the 2022 4runner, and this kit comes with pretty much everything to black out your 4runner. Individual emblems, the SR5 covers if you have SR5, and then 4runner is actually spelled out each individual letter. And this uses a 3M backing tape with this kit, and there's no instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just gonna clean all the trim up, that way the 3M tape, once you peel them off and stick it, actually lays and sticks right, because you don't want to put it on anything dirty and then of course you wash it, or just over time they fall off. So we're gonna do one at a time and then we'll see how it looks. Also, one more thing, this kit is from 4runner Lifestyles. I'll put a link in the bottom for this. I believe this kit was about 50 to 60 bucks. If it's not the right price, I'll add it later. But we'll start with doing the back. So after you clean up your emblems, basically there's two Toyota symbols, two different sizes, of course. Front one's the bigger one, but after they're clean, you're just gonna go ahead and pull the 3M tape off. You're gonna line it up, and it should just pretty much set itself because it's got all the grooves in it to put this on. Well, that's the first emblem. So now we're just going to work our way around and do the 4runner on the back, and then I'll come back and show you what that looks like. Alright, so all the blackouts are installed. So side emblems, the SR5. Cutouts look really good. The molds are actually pretty good. As you can see in the center right here, there's not a cutout for the R, but it still looks good. The rear, so the back emblem and the 4runner spell out. Back to the side. And the front. So the front was just emblem and these two like grill trim pieces, but looks really good with the blacked out wheels. So overall, initial impression, kit looks really good, fits really good, easy to install. This was less than 5 minutes, obviously, but we'll update with the longevity of the kit as like it faces weather, car washes, all the other stuff. So yeah, for now I'll throw a link in the bottom for the 4runner blackout kit, and that's it.